My name is Břetislav Oliva. This is a beautiful Renaissance building. It was built between 1573 and 1577 by Matěj Mydlář, who was a rich candle maker from Chrudim, and he took his inspiration for building a house like that from Italian region Tuscany. Where he traveled quite often and where he bought goods and ingredients for his candles and soaps. Typical. It's called dancing couples or taneček in Czech. And also acrobats, also a jester with a chair. Czech puppetry is a very important part of Czech history. At the beginning of Czech puppetry, traveling puppeteers really helped to save Czech language against Germanization. Which took place here in the middle of the 19th century, because we were part of Austrian-Hungarian Empire. And also Czech puppeteers played an important role at the beginning of a modern Czech state in 1918.
The most important family is Kopecký family. Mm-hmm. Maybe you've heard about Matěj Kopecký. It's like grandfather or godfather, not godfather of Czech puppetry. Mm-hmm. And yes, so about the puppeteers and their puppets, which are marionettes, they are led from above.
Czech puppetry is a very important thing for us, and it's also a part of a UNESCO cultural heritage of the world. We collect puppets in different ways. We buy it different ways, like online auctions. We inherit some puppets, and we also, the core of the museum collection is a private collection of Jan Malík, who was a founder, or I would say founder of this museum, or the guy who stand behind the idea of making this museum here in Chrudim. My first experience, if I remember it well, is from my childhood, and I really liked animated puppet films by Břetislav Pojar. Puppets are very fascinating for most of people, because they have kind of secret in them. Yeah, they can transfer. They can transfer to nearly any person. They can change personalities. They can change roles. You can play anything with puppets. Yeah, you can be different with puppets, and yeah. So I like that. I would say fluid character of puppets. Yeah. My favorite puppet here at our main exhibition, which is called Magical World of Puppets, is a water sprite. Is a kind of scary monster who lives in water and collects drowned people souls in some kind of boxes. yeah, I would say boxes, and this creature was created by carver Alois Šroj for our first modern Czech president Tomáš Garrigue Masaryk, and it was a part of his office. What you can see here is it's a complete scene and puppets from Endspiegel's Adventures. It was one of the most important plays in the history of Czech puppetry, and it was made by František Vítek, shown at the photo over there, and you can see how it looked like when they played it. You can see on the screen here, and again that guy on the left was another very important member of Kopecký family. Yeah, I would say that there are two main reasons for visiting this museum. The first one, that puppets and puppet history is something that is very interesting and can touch heart and soul of nearly any person. And second reason is that this building is really beautiful, and you can feel a special energy here, which can makes you feel good in here.